Yo, what is up guys? It's Puppet from glovingacademy.com and these are 20 tips for beginner glovers. Some that I wish I knew earlier, some that I still do. Number 1, practice mirroring your moves. If you can do it one way, you gotta learn how to do it the other way. Balance is key to giving a good light show. Number 2, make a YouTube, Facebook fan page, TikTok, or Instagram to keep track of your progress. Till this day, I regret not recording some of my old light shows. I've always wanted to see how I was back then. Number 3, use a backlight while recording. It's important to also see your silhouette while you're gloving, not just the lights. Number 4, if you're fast, go slow. If you're slow, limit test and go fast. It's all about balance. Number 5, do not limit yourself to just your hands. Use your body. Place your hands on your head, your shoulders, your waist, even your face. Using isolation points on other parts of your body helps create a unique light show. Number 6, ask others for feedback, but don't be surprised when people give it to you without asking. When posting on the internet, you have to expect that people are going to express their thoughts, whether you like it or not. If you don't like it, turn off the comments. Number 7, you do not need to buy a glove set before getting into it. Practice doing the movements with just your fingers. If you're still thinking about getting into it, practice the basics, and then later on, do your research and buy a set that works best for you. Number 8, practice with the gloves on. When you do decide to get a pair, it is important to practice with them on because the feeling is entirely different. Some moves go out the window. Getting used to the measurement with the chips on and the gloves on will take some time getting used to. Number 9, main 1 or 2 concepts. Getting into gloving now can be crazy with all the concepts that are out there. Maining 1 or 2 foundations of a concept will make your show feel more complete. Number 10, mimic and copy from other glovers. Copying is essential if you want to learn how to grow in this art form. Learn what everyone is doing and watch videos of your favorite glovers and follow along. Number 11, join gloving groups or discords. There are many friendly communities out there that want to help you improve. Number 12, getting as many trades in will help you get over the stage fright as fast as possible. Plus, this is time for you to figure out what moves get reactions. And there's something especially about good trades where that stuff just rubs off on your shows. Number 13, you will have to break in your wrists. If you want buttery whips and flails, you will have to condition your wrists into doing circles for many times. Number 14, there will be days where your arms are sore. Moving your hands like this is not normal. There will be times where your forearms or your fingers hurt, so it's important to stretch and take breaks when your body tells you. Number 15, do not force your fingers in ways they can't bend. Sacrifices have to be made. Sometimes we're not genetically gifted, myself included, and we're born with combined tendons. There are millions of moves waiting to be created. Just because you don't have access to a certain finger or bend doesn't mean that you're out of the game. Be creative. Number 16, if you have a quirk, use it. Many people have different quirks about their hands. For example, having hitchhiker's thumb or even a nice bend on your fingers. Use this to your advantage to create a unique style. Number 17, learn color theory. No one likes a show from a dookie looking glove set. Number 18, question why this video got 100+ likes on Glover's Lounge. There's a reason why many people like these videos, especially on Glover's Lounge. So creating an analytical mind on why this video got so much attention is key to creating an eye on why a light show is good. Number 19, people want to improve so fast to the point where they want to be able to throw a perfect light show. But remember to enjoy the journey. Being part of the gloving community is so special because we are all such creative individuals looking to share art with each other. Sometimes it's about sharing the experience with everyone, and sometimes some of us tend to forget that. And last one, do 100 finger rolls every day. Trust me, you're gonna want to perfect this move one day. This movement is utilized in almost every single move and is a great transitional tool between all your moves. And if you need help with finger rolls, here's a video showcasing all the important finger rolls that you need to know. Like and subscribe to the channel and share this with your other beginner glover friends. Thanks for watching.